Non-verbal reasoning. How to do missing sequence questions. How do you work out these types of questions? Step 1. We need to be certain of the type and the right way to find our answer. Remember, there are only 8 types. In all NVR questions, we have figures and diagrams, which consist of lines, shapes, and shading or patterns. The shapes can shift in various ways: rotate, reflect, and transpose. The shapes can change in many ways: increase or decrease, add and copy. They can consist of a movement, size, or number sequence. So, we need to identify what is happening here, remembering that the transition or change can involve just one or can be the result of many of these movements and shifts. Step 2. We know this is a missing sequence type question, so we use the technique just for this type. A number of squares on the left will contain shapes arranged in order to form a sequence. One of the squares is always missing, and we have to choose which one of the 5 squares on the right should take the place of the empty square. The technique for this is similar to the missing square type question. The link for that explanation can be seen in the description below. Here we have to try to identify what kinds of transitions are taking place from one shape to another. Using our knowledge, we know how to look for rotations, reflections, and transpositions of the shapes. We also know that the same shapes can increase or decrease, add more, and copy themselves. Finally, we know that the shapes and their parts can move or change size. Finding the correct sequence just means finding the right pattern from these options. You can see video explanations for rotation and reflection by clicking the links in the description below.